Have you ever looked at your phone and suddenly, bam, no service? No calls, no texts, no data. It's frustrating, especially when you're not even in a remote area. Don't worry, this isn't the end for your SIM. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix the no service issue on your phone using a few simple steps. No tech skills required. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. First, swipe down from the top of your screen and turn airplane mode on. Leave it on for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes. What this does is force your phone to disconnect from all networks and then search for a fresh signal once you turn it back off. Now turn airplane mode off and wait a few moments. In many cases, this alone can restore your signal. But if that didn't work, don't worry, we're just getting started. Step 2. Reset access point and enable roaming. Now go to Settings, SIM cards and mobile networks. This might say Network and Internet on some phones. Tap on your active SIM card. Then do the following. Select your preferred network type, like 4G or 5G. Scroll down to Access Point Names, APN. Tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Select Reset to Default. This step resets any messed up APN settings that may be blocking your SIM from connecting to your provider. Next, turn on roaming. Yes, even if you're not traveling. Enabling data roaming can help your SIM reconnect to your network provider in cases where your phone is stuck trying to reach unavailable towers. It allows your device to search more widely for a working network signal. Step 3. Refresh network manually. Still in the SIM settings, scroll to Choose Network. Turn off, automatically select network. Leave it off for about 10 seconds. Your phone will begin manually searching for networks. Now, turn automatic selection back on. This forces your device to refresh its network registration and often reconnects the signal. Step 4. Reset mobile, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth settings. Now let's reset some deeper connection settings. Open your settings again. Tap the search bar and type in Reset. From the options that appear, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap it again, then click Reset Settings. Enter your password or pattern to confirm. You'll get a pop-up saying your network settings have been reset. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your photos or apps. It just clears out connection bugs. Final step, restart your phone. Once everything is done, restart your phone. That final reboot helps lock in all the changes and gives your SIM one last chance to properly reconnect. Most people see their signal return right after this step. And you're done. If this helped restore your service, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment telling me which step worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes that save you time and money. Comment below with your phone model. I'll help you troubleshoot even further if needed.